last video of January. I can't believe January's already over. It's completely insane. If you haven't seen any of my other 2018 videos so far, be sure to check them out all down below. So in this video, I am going to be doing my 17th birthday wish list video, basically. And this is one of those videos where I'm going to send it out to my friends. I'm going to send it out to my family. I'm going to be like, hey guys, I made this video and you're probably wondering what I want, or if they ask me really, and I'm not gonna be like, this is what I want. But this is not to be greedy, this is not to be like, this is what I want and expecting everything. These are just some ideas. I came up with 20 because I started with 17, and then I came up with 3 bonus ones, which is really just 20. So maybe this will give you guys some ideas for what you may want to ask for your birthday, or some things that you may want to treat yourself with at the end of this school year or the end of this grading period or anything like that. You already know me, guys. If you don't, hi, I'm Crystal. I'm a cool gal sometimes, and if you want to subscribe, the button is down below. Make sure to hit the bell for notifications as well, and I'm just gonna get right on into it. Alright, so the first thing that I have on my list is an SD card, because I literally only have one. My laptop does not read it. I have to put it into a desktop and then transfer it to a USB, so I really need multiple SD cards, especially since I'm vlogging too and I don't want to have to use the same card. I have a Canon T6i and a Canon G7X Mark II, so any SD cards that work with those, preferably over 64 gig, because that's just how big my files can be. That would be like the greatest thing ever. Like, that would just be the greatest thing ever. So literally the USB drives that I got for Christmas after making the what I want for Christmas video literally like saved my butt. So thank you guys for that so much. So the next thing is really not like a material thing, but it is a service, and it is that, like, if any of you guys who know me, any of my friends, anyone out there who wants to come help me film my videos, that would be amazing, because I love having clips and takes and shots that are moving and stuff like that that need someone to actually film it and not a tripod, but I can't do that at the same time, and my siblings are grown, so like they can't do that either, and my parents are busy people and they have lives, and I understand that, and so sometimes it just doesn't all work out. So if anyone wants to volunteer their time, let me know. We'll schedule something, and happy birthday to me. The next thing I would really love is I want to get into color grading my videos. I kind of dabbled at it a while ago, and I bought a filter pack from Pixel Film Studios, and I don't like it at all, and I need to actually learn and get educated. And so if anyone out there is really smart and like knows all about that kind of stuff or wants to help me out, I really want to get into color grading. So a color grading like LUT pack would be really cool. So I really want to get into Adobe Lightroom. I did have the honor of working with Adobe last summer at VidCon and a little bit after that as well, and I did not appreciate like Lightroom until after the fact, and now I just really want to get into Adobe Lightroom. Now we're gonna hit a grouping of where I'm just gonna ask for shoes. I really want Adidas NMDs in either navy or olive green. My brother did get me those dark gray charcoal black ones, and I love them so much. Thank you, bro. Literally love them so much. I ended up being a size 10, guys, so yeah. Everything will be linked down below. I really want some gray Ultraboosts. I don't know what size I'm in those. It might be a 9.5 because the 10's a little bit big in the NMDs. Not quite sure, but get those. Yeah. And every time I say you guys, of course I don't mean like my viewers. Like you guys give me your time, and that's amazing. So I'm really talking to like my friends and my family. Hey guys, hey, what's up? The next thing is a traveling backpack, and I really want like a Herschel one or a Huaraches and Kanken, you know, one of those ones. Because I'm going to Italy, I'm going to VidCon, and I just want something other than my like really big black Herschel one for school. I want like a slightly smaller one, and probably not black, just so that it's more casual. So there are these bullet journal like marker pen highlighter things that like all the pro bullet journal YouTubers have, and I really want them. I know they're on Amazon. They're not that much. I'll have them linked down below and on the screen. I just don't know what they're called off the top of my head, but I know I want them. The next ones are, I personally think that you can pull off anything you want to pull off, and there's no such thing as someone else telling you what you can and cannot pull off when it comes to style. And so even though I walk into Foot Locker and always get intimidated and feel out of place, I do want Huaraches. I want the pink ones. Yeah. And I mean, of course it's just in my head, but I want Huaraches, so yeah. So the next one is kind of funny, and this one's probably closer to the bottom of my list if I was going in a specific order, which I'm not. A Fanny Pack, because I just think they're kind of cool. My friend John has one, and I don't know. And I like borrowed my dad's one time, but it's like leather, and I don't want to borrow his leather one. I want like a Herschel one, but like the smaller ones. I don't really know. Something like cool, maybe a navy one or a teal one. I want a Fanny Pack, bro. Alright, so the next one is Khalid Tickets. I really want Khalid tickets for his May 5th concert in the city. Bro, this is like at you. Like, I really want Khalid tickets at his May 5th concert in the city. Bless my soul. Please. So the next one is Polaroid 600 film. Polaroid does make it now. Impossible Film also makes it. They sell it at Urban Outfitters and they sell it on Amazon, but they also sell it on like Polaroid or Impossible website. So yeah, look down below, please. I have my grandmother's Polaroid and I would love to use it because it's an extra battery for my Canon G7X Mark II. So when I'm vlogging, I don't have to worry about my battery running out. Or an extra battery for my Canon T6i Rebel so that when I'm filming out in the field, I don't have to worry about my battery running out. Just a plain old simple Amazon gift card because basically everything on this list I could get on Amazon and I could get for myself, or basically everything in any of my videos that like, oh, I bought this for this video was probably from Amazon. So Amazon is my dealer. I have yet to get track spike shoes. My friend Michael, shout out to you Michael, got me spikes, like the spikes themselves for Christmas, so thanks dude. I gotta get shoes. I might get them for myself, but I'm just saying that's on my list to get. I might get it for myself, but you know, you need them. So I really want a cool Windbreaker. You already know, those really cool Nike ones that go around the internet that they sell at Foot Locker where I still feel out of place. I want one, or one of those like cool, like old school vintagey ones from Urban. I want one of those too, or like those cool Adidas ones that they sell at Nordstrom. Those are cool. I want one of those too. Yeah, or any of them like from Romwe or Shein that like look like them, that are like okay-ish quality. Yeah. So for this one, I would really like some books. I really want to read Simon versus the Homo Sapiens Agenda, which is the movie, and I really want to read that Nick Robinson. I literally have been a Nick Robinson fan since Melissa and Joey. Like, where has the time gone? And I really would like the Red Queen series. I read Mia's like Red Queen book, and then they came out with 2 more, and she only has the second one and she hasn't read it yet, so I don't want to borrow it because I know I'm gonna take forever too. So I would just like my own copies. Oh no! This one, like at my parents', at my friend's parents', at like Southwest if they want to throw in some free airfare. I really want to meet my internet friends Kara in Texas and Mikayla in Pennsylvania. I've been friends with them since 2014. And we met on Twitter through Jacob Whiteside. Yeah, it's crazy. I met them when I was like 13. I also want to meet my group chat, THICCY, ILLUMINASHAWN. So a lot of us live in California and I want to meet us. Like, I'm turning 17 and I want to meet us. And I know I'm meeting my girl Kim like this summer, and that's amazing. But I gotta meet Tori, and I guess gotta meet Kenna, Viv, Jody, and Mario, and the other Kim. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love you guys all so much. I just want to meet, and like Sean. Sean's in the group chat too, you know. Want to meet Sean, bro. And the very last one, I really want to get those really big like tin like 17 balloons in gold. Like, I really want them. I didn't get them for my birthday. I didn't get them for my 16th birthday. I got some other cute ones that my mom got me, and I really love those ones too. But I've always wanted these balloons. So if I could finally get them this year, that's all I really want. If we scratched the entire list and someone was like, Crystal, I watched your video and I feel like I just had to get you one thing off the list, it'd be those balloons, bro. Okay, probably the SD cards, and the balloons, bro. So if that is something on your heart that you want to get me, my arms are wide open. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that may have given you some ideas of what I want and what you possibly might ask for your birthday. Of course, I don't expect everything. If I don't get anything on this list, it's okay. Life is amazing. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more of my face and you want to see what I'm going to be doing on my 17th birthday, then you need to subscribe to this channel. And if you're already subscribed to this channel, then you need to subscribe to my vlog channel, which will be down below and at the end of this video. So that is it for this video. Yeah, I love you guys so much. No hate, eat pizza, and I'll see your lovely faces very soon. Bye! I'm gonna be so